Imagine a world where information travels at lightning speed. Downloading a movie takes a mere blink of an eye. Surgeons perform complex operations remotely, guided by real-time data. Cars drive themselves, communicating seamlessly with each other and the surrounding infrastructure. This is not a scene from a science fiction film, it is the promise of 5G technology. 5G represents the next giant leap in wireless communication. It is poised to revolutionize our lives, transforming industries and reshaping our interactions with the world. The potential of 5G is immense. This hyper-connected future promises unparalleled opportunities for innovation, growth, and progress. To understand the revolutionary potential of 5G, we must first understand what sets it apart from its predecessor, 4G. While 4G enabled the smartphone revolution and the rise of mobile internet as we know it, 5G operates on a fundamentally different level. Think of 4G as a high-speed train, capable of transporting large amounts of data quickly. 5G, on the other hand, is like a supersonic jet, offering not only faster speeds but also significantly lower latency. Latency refers to the delay between sending a request and receiving a response. This near-instantaneous communication is what makes 5G a game-changer. Moreover, 5G can handle a significantly larger volume of data traffic compared to 4G. Imagine a future where billions of devices, from refrigerators to traffic lights, are interconnected and communicating with each other. The increased bandwidth and reduced latency of 5G will enable us to develop and deploy applications that were previously unimaginable. The healthcare industry stands to benefit immensely from the transformative power of 5G. Imagine a world where patients in remote areas can access specialized medical care through telemedicine, receiving diagnoses and treatment plans from doctors miles away. With its low latency and high bandwidth, 5G can facilitate real-time remote monitoring of patients, allowing doctors to track vital signs and adjust treatment plans instantly. This can be particularly beneficial for patients with chronic conditions, improving their quality of life and reducing hospital readmissions. Surgeons can utilize augmented reality and virtual reality tools, guided by real-time data and high-definition video feeds, to perform complex surgeries with greater precision and control. This can lead to faster recovery times, fewer complications, and improved patient outcomes. 5G can also accelerate the development of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients based on their genetic makeup and lifestyle factors. The rapid analysis of large data sets enabled by 5G will be crucial in this field. Buckle up, because the future of transportation is about to get a whole lot more interesting thanks to 5G. This revolutionary technology will transform our journeys, making them safer, smoother, and more efficient. Autonomous vehicles are one of the most anticipated applications of 5G. 5G enables real-time communication between cars, traffic lights, and road sensors. This reduces traffic congestion and improves road safety. 5G is a paradigm shift that will redefine transportation. The classroom without walls. 5G and education. Education is the cornerstone of progress, and 5G is poised to revolutionize the way we learn and teach. Imagine a classroom where geographical boundaries cease to exist, where students from all over the world can connect with each other and learn from the best teachers regardless of their location. With its high speed and low latency, 5G can enable immersive and interactive learning experiences. Students can participate in virtual field trips, explore ancient ruins in 3D, or dissect a human heart in augmented reality, all from the comfort of their classrooms. Such engaging and interactive learning experiences can make education more engaging and accessible for students of all ages. 5G can also bridge the educational divide between urban and rural areas. By providing high-speed internet access to remote communities, 5G can ensure that all students have equal opportunities to learn and thrive, regardless of their geographical location. This can empower entire generations with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the 21st century. Entertainment Unbound. 5G and the future of fun. Get ready to experience entertainment like never before. 5G is set to unleash a wave of innovation in the entertainment industry, transforming the way we consume and interact with media. From immersive gaming experiences to personalized content recommendations, the future of fun is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Imagine a world where you can download an entire movie in seconds, stream high-quality 4K videos without buffering, and participate in multiplayer augmented reality games with friends from around the world. 5G's lightning-fast speed and low latency will make all of this and more a reality. Think interactive live concerts where you can choose your camera angle, virtual reality theme park rides that transport you to distant worlds, and personalized movie recommendations based on your mood and preferences. Get ready to have your senses dazzled and your imagination ignited. The price of progress. Navigating the challenges of 5G. As with any transformative technology, the path to a 5G-powered future is not without its challenges. One of the most significant challenges is the cost of deployment. Building out the infrastructure for 5G requires significant investment from governments and telecommunication companies. This cost will likely be passed on to consumers in the form of higher service fees, potentially exacerbating the digital divide between those who can afford access to this technology and those who cannot. Another challenge is the potential for job displacement. As automation and artificial intelligence become more prevalent in various industries driven by 5G capabilities, there is a risk of job losses in sectors that rely heavily on manual labor or repetitive tasks. Furthermore, the increased reliance on connected devices and data transmission raises concerns about cybersecurity. Ensuring the security of 5G networks and the devices that connect to them is paramount. Guardians of the digital age addressing privacy and security concerns. As we embrace the hyper-connected future promised by 5G, it is crucial to address the growing concerns surrounding privacy and data security. With billions of devices exchanging vast amounts of data, safeguarding our personal information becomes more critical than ever. The increased data traffic generated by 5G networks presents tempting targets for hackers and cybercriminals. Strengthening cybersecurity measures, implementing robust encryption protocols, and raising awareness about online safety are essential steps in mitigating these risks. Moreover, the widespread adoption of 5G will generate an unprecedented amount of data about our daily lives. It is imperative to have clear regulations governing data collection, storage, and usage in a 5G-enabled world. Empowering individuals with greater control over their personal information, promoting data transparency, and holding companies accountable for data breaches are crucial steps in safeguarding our privacy in the digital age. Bridging the gap 5G and the digital divide. While 5G holds the promise of connecting the world like never before, it also has the potential to exacerbate existing inequalities if not implemented thoughtfully. The high cost of deploying 5G infrastructure may lead to uneven rollout, with urban areas and affluent communities benefiting first, while rural and underserved communities lag behind. This could further marginalize already disadvantaged populations, limiting their access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. Governments and telecommunication companies must collaborate to ensure equitable access to affordable 5G services, particularly in rural and underserved areas. Investing in digital literacy programs to empower individuals with the skills to navigate the digital world is equally important. By addressing the digital divide, we can ensure that the benefits of 5G reach everyone, creating a more inclusive and equitable future for all. A world transformed opportunities and risks in the age of 5G. As we stand on the cusp of a new technological era, it is crucial to approach the deployment of 5G with both enthusiasm and careful consideration. The opportunities are immense, but so are the potential risks. By embracing a balanced perspective, we can harness the transformative power of 5G to create a better future for all. On the one hand, 5G has the potential to revolutionize industries, fuel economic growth, and improve the quality of life for people around the world. The key lies in fostering innovation, encouraging collaboration, and ensuring that the benefits of this technology reach all segments of society. By proactively addressing challenges, implementing robust security measures, promoting digital literacy, and ensuring equitable access, we can mitigate the risks and create a more inclusive and sustainable future. The choices we make today will shape the 5G-enabled world of tomorrow. Shaping tomorrow. Our role in a 5G-enabled world. The dawn of the 5G era presents us with a profound opportunity. We have a crucial role in harnessing this technology for good. Demand transparency from telecommunication companies. Make informed choices and support ethical data handling. Engage in discussions about 5G's societal implications. Our collective voice can shape the regulatory landscape. Embrace a proactive approach to harness 5G's power.